Hello friends, welcome to RBI Insights, the hub where we unravel the mysteries of RBI's official website and present them before you in an easy to digest video format. So get ready to explore rbi.org.in, RBI's official website. Friends, as soon as you open the RBI's official website, the first thing that catches your eye is the small carousel of images displaying 3 to 4 pictures of RBI buildings. You must have seen small pictures are displaying. Uh, the first one is the white building. The tall white building is this. It is the central office of the RBI, where the top management, the governor, then deputy governor, EDs, they all sit there. Uh, then other two, three buildings are also being shown on the website. So I think that are the regional offices of the RBI. And just beside that carousel, you will find something preamble of RBI. So today we will see the significance of this preamble. Uh, by the name of preamble, you must have remember the days when in school we used to study the preamble of the Constitution of India. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist and secure all its citizens. It is something I just remember first line, that too not clearly. So preamble basically it is an introductory statement that explains the purpose and introduction, means it underlies the philosophy of the institution. Why is the institution is being set up? It outlines the goals, vision and mission of the institution. The actions or decisions, whatever the activities is being taken by the top management uh, of the institution, it must align with the principles set forth in the preamble. So, preamble is the most important part of the institution. So now let's understand the preamble of our iconic Reserve Bank of India. So let's start with the preamble. So to regulate the issue of bank notes and keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India, and generally to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage. To have a modern monetary policy framework to meet the challenge of an increasingly complex economy, to maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. So let's understand this. To regulate the issue of bank notes and keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India. To regulate the issue of bank notes. So RBI's authority is in India. RBI is the authorized agent of the government of India to regulate the issue of currency notes. Whatever currency notes that is being circulated, RBI is the wholesome, what we can say, RBI has got that authority to issue the currency notes. And as we know that RBI is also known as the lender to the last resort. So RBI ensures that these currency notes are being circulated to each and every citizen of the country in every possible way. Whether he or she is in the remote place or in the city, everyone must get advantage of this currency notes. So that is what to regulate the issue of currency notes. So RBI regulate the issue of this currency note, keeping of reserves. So while issuing these currency notes, RBI keeps a certain level of reserves to back up this currency. Sorry, these reserves can be in any form like foreign currency or say gold or say SDR, special drawing rights, foreign government bonds, etc. Keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India. So now RBI is issuing the currency. So RBI issuing the currency means it is basically the part of the economy. So to maintain healthy economy of the country, we have to secure the monetary stability in India. Monetary stability here refers to maintaining stable and predictable value of country's currency. If the value of the currency is stable and it is predictable, then only we can stay contribute to the healthy economy. So how it is done? Basically, monetary stability is done by controlling certain factors like inflation, interest rate, monetary money supply to prevent excessive fluctuations in the value of money. So this is the first two line. Next, to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage. So RBI's role involves overseeing the functioning of the currency and credit system of the country. Now, what this credit system is? So the credit system refers to the arrangement where individual like us, then big businesses, or say government. So everyone needs money. So the credit system refers that uh, everyone everyone must borrow money from financial institutions like banks, then NBFCs, with a promise to repay the borrowed amount along with interest over a specified period. So this credit system enables people to access funds they may not have currently. Just like we take loans from bank, and also this is part of the credit system. Uh, everyone must get the access to this fund for to allow themselves to purchase or invest in opportunities, or some sometimes some unforeseen expenses occur. So this is a part of the credit system. This indirectly refers to the growth of the economy. This credit system ensures that our country's economy does not stop. So this system works in such a way that from an individual who is in the remote location to the big institution, everybody gets benefited from it. So that's what credit system generally to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage. Means everyone must get advantage of this system. To have a modern monetary policy framework to meet the challenge of an increasingly complex economy. So to have a modern monetary policy framework. What is this modern monetary policy framework? So modern monetary policy framework here, it is a set of guidelines, principles and tools that a central bank uses to manage and control the money supply and interest rates within an economy. These tools basically involves open market operations, that is buying and selling of government securities is done in this. Then changes in policy, interest rates and the reserve requirement for banks. It is repo rate, then reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR. All these are the tools of the monetary policy framework. So by maintaining all these rates, we can secure the growth of our complex economy. We can maintain the what inflation and all. So all this comes under the monetary policies framework. Next, to maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. To maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective. Here, the dual mandate of the RBI is being shown. That is to ensure price stability and also to support economic growth. Price stability refers to controlling inflation so that the purchasing power of money remains relatively constant over time. We must have heard people saying that why don't RBI print a lot of money and distribute to the poor and people among the country. So what if it happens that RBI prints a lot of money and distributes? So purchasing power of everyone will say that मेरे पास तो बहुत पैसा है, I will buy this, I will buy that and all. So this this should not happen because this can lead to the increase in inflation. So price stability should be there. So that's what the RBI's mandate is, that it ensures the price stability while keeping in mind the objective of the growth. It prints a certain amount of money that is required to the country, required to the growth of the economy. So RBI has to take care of the price stability and also take such decisions that supports our economic growth. So friends, this was our preamble. I hope you understand it. This is just a trailer of the RBI's website. It's, if you go into the website, it is very large, it is vast website. We will see all this in the coming videos. We will see functions of the RBI, then departments of RBI, and what are the role and responsibilities of the RBI departments. And while seeing the functions of RBI on website only, you will find many FAQs. Lot of FAQs are there. Frequently asked questions. We will discuss them. on different topics it is given. So we will cover all this. We will cover whole of the website of the RBI one by one. Today was just the beginning of this journey. With your support, we'll try to finish each and every corner of the RBI's website. So stay with us, friends, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.